maraming medal. Kami marami. Tingnan niyo yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lahat ng medal namin. So, ito lang dito yung akin. First is ito for grade 1 row section. At this is best in GMRCL and for grade 1 row section. Sa kindergarten ko naman. And guys, ito naman yung kinder ko. Best in writing, best in aralin, and ito. And yan. 5 lahat lang ng medal ko. 5 lang sila lahat. Magpapakita na ako ng face ko. Sorry, malayo.